Today we're gonna make a pen holder using FreeCAD, and this is a very simple project to get started and get used to FreeCAD interface and parametric designing on FreeCAD. So we start by creating a new project. Then make sure you will have the part design selected in the workbenches. Then we're gonna create a new sketch. Choose the XY plane and then select the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Don't worry about the size yet. So we will start to constrain this rectangle, and first we will be using the symmetry constraint. So select the top left corner and then the bottom right corner, and then select the center, the points in the center, and then select the symmetry constraint. So this will make sure that your rectangle is symmetric on the center, basically. So we're gonna add constraints for the size. So first you're gonna add the horizontal distance constraint, and these, let's make it 60 millimeters, and then let's add a vertical distance constraint, and let's make it 4 millimeters, 4 centimeters. So you can see now that this sketch is fully constrained, so you cannot move, it's all constrained. And then close the sketch, and now we can use the pad tool to make it 3D, pad the sketch. And now for this, you're gonna choose, you're gonna set a length of 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. It's a good size for a pen holder. So we have the basic block, and now we have to make a hole on it. So now we're gonna select the top face of this object, and then you will create a new sketch. Remember the first sketch we created, we chose the XY plane, but now we are attaching this sketch on the top face of this object. So this is a vision from the top, and here you're gonna create another rectangle slightly smaller than the first one, and then we're gonna make this a hole. But first, let's do the same thing we did before. We select the top left, bottom right, and the middle point, and then go for the constraint symmetric. And now we're gonna set the size. So we're gonna set a width of 56. So we leave 2 millimeters at each side. And the same for the vertical constraint. We're gonna do 36. So we also leave 2 at each side. Okay, so now you have the sketch here, and you're gonna select the pocket. Actually, it's a pocket that we're gonna make. It's not a full hole, but a pocket. And then set the size of 90 millimeters. And then you have the pockets that we need for the design, the pen holder design. And so to finish this, we can do a fillet. Select the corner, and then select the fillet tool. So it's gonna slightly round the corners. Then click on select, so you can select more corners, all the 4 corners of it, and here. And then you can preview to see how it's gonna look like. And this way you keep the bottom all flat, and that is easier to print, to 3D print. The top and the bottom remain flat. And now you have your pen holder fully constrained and parametric. You can, if you want to change the size, you can go on the original sketch and change the size, increase the size, make it smaller, make it bigger. And now you can export this, select it, then export, and then this is gonna be probably already selected for you, STL, or if not, you select the STL mesh, and then you give it a name and save it. So now you already have your model ready to print. Just open it on a slicer software and slice it and send to your printer, and then yeah, you will have your pen holder. I hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial, and if you have any ideas or suggestions for another FreeCAD tutorial, please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching.